Hey, good morning, everybody. This morning's poem is a poem for one of my best buddies. You know who you are, and I hope you're sleeping in a lot. This poem is titled Sleeping In. Stirred from my slumber by the first rays of light, I am called to rise and climb new heights. Oceans need crossing, rivers to be run, mountaintops conquered, adventures begun. The song of my epic still longs to be sung and set the world on fire with the rising sun. But a whisper, faint, from a sweet little rose, fresh, blossoming, free of her clothes, requests my presence with a gentle stroke back to her bosom from where I awoke. Looks like today I'm sleeping in.